Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record calls on Facebook Messenger. So you have to pay attention if you're using iPhone or even the Android A version itself. Sometimes the record cut out the audio, or you just record the visual only. But sometimes on another device it works. So all you have to do is just open your messengers and try to call one of your friend with this icon or even video here. And during your call, you can open your built-in screen recorder here. So you can try to record using the screen recorder by your Android. So if you don't have, you can install the third party, the screen record, and try to record your phone call using that apps. So good luck, please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. See you in the next video.